In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to add a personal touch to your Google Calendar by using emojis in your events. Adding emojis can make your calendar more visually appealing and engaging. It transforms a plain schedule into something that feels more dynamic, fun, and uniquely yours, helping you connect with your plans on a more personal level. To begin this process, first, we'll want to choose our emoji. You can find emojis using any emoji-supported site or app, whether it's a browser-based emoji library or one built into your phone or computer. The key is to find one that fits the mood or theme of your event. This selection not only adds character, but also sets the tone for your appointment, making it more memorable at a glance. Once you've found the right one, go ahead and copy it. If you're using a Windows PC, you can do this by pressing Ctrl+C, or if you're using a Mac, press Command+C. Next, open Google Calendar in your browser. Ensure that you're signed into your Google account, otherwise you won't be able to access your personal calendar. Once you're all set up, you have the option to either create a brand new event where you can start fresh, or if you already have an event that could use a bit of flair, you can select that existing event to update. Now that you're on the event screen, let's add the emoji. Click on the time slot for your new event, or click to edit an existing one. In the title or description field, simply paste the emoji you copied earlier. On a Windows device, you'll do this by pressing Ctrl+V, or if you're working on a Mac, use Command+V. By adding emojis, your calendar takes on a whole new level of expression. It not only makes your events easier to spot, but also more enjoyable to look at, ensuring you don't overlook important activities. Once you're satisfied with your emoji selection, remember to save your changes. Simply click the Save button to ensure your little piece of creativity is locked in. After saving, you can return to your calendar view and see your emoji-enhanced event standing out right where you placed it. And just like that, you're done. Using emojis in your Google Calendar is a mildly simple yet effective way to add brightness to your day and make organizing more enjoyable. Plus, if you maintain consistent emoji themes, it can help you instantly recognize different types of events at just a glance. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to add a little fun to your schedule.